Airports Authority of India has been endeavoring to provide a safe, COVID-free environment at its airports across the country. Chennai International Airport is setting the precedent for the rest. Extensive safety measures have not only instilled a sense of confidence into passengers, but have successfully enabled the steady increase in Chennai-based flight operations. From its re-equipped entry protocols with key focus on touch points to maintenance of social distancing, face protection of passengers and thorough disinfection of their luggage, the airport is ensuring a flying experience which is free of both virus and anxiety.
It was a really nice experience in this COVID time that the authorities are providing us such safe and nice journey. It is safe and actually it is very convenient, not very time taking. The procedures are also very normal. It's kind of visiting a shop in COVID situation. We are giving sanitizers. The passengers who are being seated in the middle, the B and the D rows, are being given a sort of PPE kit. So I felt safe, and we were provided with face shields and hand sanitizer.
Airport Authority of India, they have taken very good service regarding this sanitization and everything, and they are taking in this COVID especially, these people are taking care of so all the amenities like sanitizations and everything. Okay, so we feel great. The service is good.
Isolation rooms with emergency facilities have also been developed within the premises. Effective implementation of the preventive measures has also enabled the airport to resume its international operations, and air bubble operations, which has already begun, can be seen as a prelude to it. Authorities attribute the success to both staff and passengers, who they say are informed and have been instrumental in keeping the virus at bay.
चेन्नई एयरपोर्ट बिल्कुल सेफ है, बिल्कुल उसको फील सेफ है। हमारा एयरपोर्ट एकदम सेफ एयरपोर्ट हमारा है। डिसइंफेक्शन हमारा प्रॉपर होता है, और ये सबसे ज़्यादा सेफ मोड है ट्रैवल करने के लिए बजाय दूसरे साधनों से ज़्यादा। तो मैं तो यही कहूँगा कि बिना किसी डर के वो आएँ। सोशल नॉर्म्स फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे जहाज़ के अंदर भी, एयरपोर्ट के अंदर भी, तो हम लोग सेफ रहेंगे और हम रिवाइव एविएशन सेक्टर को और आपके सबकी जो ज़रूरत है उसको रिवाइव कर पाएंगे।
Gradually, Airports Authority of India airports across the country are witnessing steady growth in passenger traffic, with projections showing an even better number in coming times. Pandemic has affected the operations. However, deeply committed AAI Airports has shown that the crisis cannot dampen their spirit. They have vowed to fly even higher now.